बायगिणी कोयरा प्रकल्प नाका तर दुसरे कडेन जागो दाखोवचो. पोरणे गोंयच्यान बायगिणी 2 किलोमीटर अंतरार आसा. हो कोयरा प्रकल्प काळाची गरज आसा, नातर पणजेन तिसवाडीन असोच सगळे कडेन वाज पडिल्लो उरतलो. जर तर लोकांनी आनी कोर्टान ना म्हळ्यार ह्या प्रकल्पाक सरकारूय नाका म्हणटले, म्हण मंत्री मायकल लोबो उलयला. RDXGOA खातीर बागाच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
Bainguinim waste treatment plant. What would your stand be on that?
त्यांनी जागो दुसरो दाखोवचो आहाल्यान. See, waste and this structure are two different things. Bainguinim is nearly 2 kilometers away from Old Goa side, and that is a waste treatment plant which is very much required and needed for Tiswadi. And if people say no, if the court say no, I think the government will also say no. There are few people who are saying no. The other people know that they are generating waste which has to be disposed of scientifically. Other even commercial and residential people know that this waste is just being thrown in the river, is just being thrown on the roadside, in the fields, in the nallas, in the ponds. हे ट्रीट जावपाक जाय. हे जायना जाल्यार Bainguinim and Tiswadi will always stink. Today wet waste is being generated here, is treated here, but in the years to come our area's waste will increase in quantity, which will not be able to treat the waste of Bainguinim and Taligaon and the other areas. So it will be difficult for old Goa, all those panchayats of Kambarzoa constituency and 5 constituencies of Tiswadi.